Alright, we're back again. We were somewhat patient. Went and fed cows. Hey, there's a Roo dog. See if she'll come to life. Oh! Yeah! Oh! So, hey, you don't have the gas hooked up.
Don't try this at home, kids.
Yeah, he's blowing in the gas tank.
Fills a little carburetor right up with gas on this. I don't know about on anything else.
Oh, yeah. He still loves them.
Let's give it this heater that we have in here.
Yeah, I think so. Unhook some cables and we'll go unload some bales.
I got this mystery oil.
Mystery oil needs to go in there. Oh, heck, guys.
We're gonna have to get a new fuel pump.
Oh no! I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is definitely blowing fuel.
Hey, we got visitors, so we're gonna let you guys go. Peace out.